That's what we're taking out. In. But first, this. Let me show you. This was over here. So what I did was pull its pants down. Now, you don't want to do it with the car running, but you can. As long as you don't. Okay. So what you're doing is you're popping out this little guy out of here. So this little, do not lose this thing. This sits right here. Right? And what you're doing is you're popping it out. Okay? Popping it out so this can come out in your hand. Now, don't let go of the brake. The car's running. So, alright, now we got that out of the way. This, with some brute strength, just grab it and pull straight up. It'll pop straight up. It's nothing but clips. Clip, 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 clip. Put it aside. Now with it still in, pop this up out. And this will come right in your hands. It's got plenty of slack actually, so you can get the wire far enough where you can unplug this thing. So let's pause this. So it actually pops inward. So with a thing like this, you see, it'll pop inward. There's another one on the other side. So why does everything overlap in this car? So putting this back in, I'll show you. Right here in the corner. Okay, I took the two screws out, just like this, sitting right there. But I had to use this to put in between the two, so as you pull it out, this right here in this little corner is underneath this, but you can get it without taking the whole thing apart, because I just did. I'm showing you how. See? Now let's get to the push part. All right, yeah. So like I said, this goes in. I guess that's the part number. I don't know. And there's another one on this side that you can barely see. I guess now that I show you where it is, you don't have to actually take this apart. You see, now that I put it back here, right, so let's put it back. If you look downward on it, this one is the one you have to unclip. So putting something like this right in between, crack, see it right between there, it'll help pop it out of this little sleeve. You see? So now that you see where it is, I didn't know, but it wasn't too hard pulling some screws out. So let's put these, snap this back in. It's already snapped in. This goes first. Only one screw. One screw right there, these overlap. So you gotta put this one first and then put the screw in. Just like we were never here. Now, put it back over. I like how they give you enough room to do this. So, put it back in the drive so you can weasel this leather back in. And just line it back up. And literally just snaps right back into place. Got it? Good. Now, before you put this back, alright, so here's what was holding me up. This bunch of wires, I popped this off accidentally. So this goes back on and gnaws back onto this. So it holds these wires up out of your way. So when you put it back in the drive, it allows you to without bunching up. You see? Now we should be fine. Come on. Alright, so this will probably happen to you. I didn't realize it. There's a little selector right here. That has to make sure to go over this rod. So you want to make sure it's aligned for you. And that's what actually does the indicator as well. See that? Just the nice things I do for you. So I'm going to put this back with both hands, because it's always easier with both hands. Now we got Eureka. See that? Awesome. Alright, now, last things last. Put this little trick of the trade. I'll showed you this before, but pop this in first and it'll pop right back on. See what I mean? Now, it makes it that much easier to go back on. Locks into place. Good. Pull its pants up, put it back in park. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.